Hello beauty babes, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for coming on here all barefaced and stuff, but during this quarantine I'm not trying to waste any of my makeup because why, right? Like why? But anyway, today's video I'm going to be showing you how I quickly install my lace wigs for when you just have to hurry up. This is like under 5 minutes, and obviously with this being a quick lace install, like do not think this is going to last you a week. You can go to sleep in it. Like no, like this is literally for you to just quickly do, for you to wear throughout the day. If you start sweating, it's gonna come undone, but this is just how I do it. As you can see, like I'm tugging, she ain't coming off, so pretty solid if you ask me. But anyway, if you want to see how I get this look, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and just continue watching. Bye. Alright beauty babes, so all you're gonna need to quickly secure your lace wig is you're gonna need a blow dryer. This one's the Conair blow dryer. Don't remember how much it is. I got it from Target. I'll link it down below if I can find it. But to actually hold down my wig, I use the Got to Be Glued Blasting Freeze Spray. This stuff is amazing for like super quick because it dries fast and it really does keep your wig down, especially like for it to just be a hairspray. Like obviously if you start sweating or something, it's gonna lift, but that's because it's hairspray, it's not glue or gel even. I use a rat tail comb to push it in because I don't like to use my fingers because of the natural oils. I have this little mini mirror right here just to be able to see exactly what I'm doing. So the first thing I'm going to do is, by the way, like this wig isn't glued down at all. Like as you can see, it's not glued down, moving and all. So first thing I'm gonna do is on like the days that I want to be super quick, I don't even try to be perfect with it. I just lift, shake, I'm gonna spray, and I turn my blow dryer on and just blow dry it. On hot, warm, cool, it doesn't really matter, it's your preference. I just blow dry it for a little bit. I'm going to take my comb, and I'm sorry I'm not looking into the camera, I'm looking at the mirror so I can, you know, see what I'm doing, but I hope I'm like in view. And all I do is just press the lace into the hairspray and just hold it there for a few minutes while I'm doing this. And then I take the hair dryer again. I had it on hot, but it's really hot, so I'm gonna go down to warm. And I'm just gonna blow dry it just to make sure it's dry, because you want to make sure it's dry before you remove your hand, because if you don't, then it's obviously gonna lift, because like I said, this is just hairspray. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this side. As you see, like this isn't your traditional way of doing it, obviously. Typically when you're trying to actually do it to where you want it to last and be perfect, you're going to take your time and go section by section, but this is a super quick lace wig install when you're about to literally go and you want to be done in like 5 minutes. So I'm gonna shake, spray, and then blow dry. Another thing is that if you're wondering if this like takes out your edges or if this is damaging to your hair, no, it's not, because all it is hairspray, and literally all you have to do is remove it is put water on your hairline. Like literally you go to the sink, water in your hand, rub it, or cotton pad, or even spray bottle, spray it, and it's perfectly fine. It's nowhere near damaging. My edges aren't damaged by this, nothing. Like, it's perfectly safe, and it's a very, very good alternative to glue, because if you don't like it or you're scared, like, this is perfect. Okay, so as you can see, it is down and everything. I try not to like tug on it for a little while. I don't wrap it or anything. As you can see, like right here, it's still lifting. So all I'm gonna do is just take a little bit, spray a tiny bit. A little bit of like white flakiness from the hairspray drying on my skin, and if it bothers you, all you have to do is just take a Q-tip or a tissue and get some water on it and just wipe it off, or you could scratch it off. Be careful scratching it off because it'll make it more white. But as you can see, like, wigs on, I'm pulling, not really coming off. So that is the end. That is how I very quickly install my wig with the Got2b gel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification to get notified on my videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye.